Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well, friends. In today's video I'm going to share with you my haul. So guys, recently I have shopped many products from Flipkart, Amazon, Nykaa, and I went literally crazy because I was so much intrigued by so many good discounts going on, guys. They were 50% off on many of the products that were on my wish list. Guys, literally I am a makeup addict. I just love to shop makeup, and guys, I love makeup so much. So please don't judge me like why I have been shopping so many products, because I just love experimenting about makeup, about new products which are recently launched in market, and I also wanted to share with you as well so that it will be helpful to you. So guys, before proceeding, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to enjoy more such haul videos. Also please give this video a like and share it with your friends if you enjoyed watching this haul. So let's begin and see what all I have bought. Let's get started. The first product that I have is this Swiss Beauty blusher and highlighter in the shade 05. I guess, yeah, this is the shade 05. When I was browsing through Nykaa, I came across this particular highlighter, and this is the new launch from Swiss Beauty. And guys, I have also reviewed this product on my channel, so if you want to buy this, you can definitely check it out. So you can see the packaging is like this, and this retails for only rupees 299. And I have taken this from Flipkart. I checked it out on Nykaa, but I have taken this from Flipkart on a flat 10% discount. So I got this for only rupees 269, which is so affordable. So guys, you can see the packaging is like this. It is so beautiful, and you can see it looks like this. It is a very beautiful peachy brownish kind of highlighter, as you can see, and it also has a little bit of golden reflex. There are no chunky glitters, and you can see, guys, such a beautiful shade. And Swiss Beauty products are my all-time favorite. I just love Swiss Beauty products so much, guys, due to the affordability and the quality of their products. The quality is outstanding. So that's why I wanted to try this out. So I bought this, and this is incredible, guys. You should definitely try this out. It gives a very natural kind of look, a very subtle kind of look. It doesn't look very blinding, but definitely you can build it up. The second product that I've taken from Flipkart is this one. This is Nivea Duo Milk Beauty Elixir Fresh Roll-On. So you can see, guys, so this was available on a flat 38% discount. So that's why I've taken this. This retails for rupees, it retails for rupees 225, but I have got this for only rupees 138 during the Diwali sale. This smells so good, guys, so good. The smell is heavenly. This product is so good, and it really works so good on me. So it works really so well in underarms, and it controls odor as well, and is so long lasting. It lasts the whole day for me, guys. So this is a really good product, and you should definitely try this out. You can see, guys, so already I have started using this one. So this is Nivea Body Milk Nourishing Lotion. This is the 400 ml bottle, and this came free with this. Actually, this is the 120 ml bottle. So guys, this was available on flat 55% discount, guys. I just can't believe, like, Nivea products were available for flat 50% discount. So that's why I've taken this from Flipkart, and this retails for rupees 399, and I got this for only rupees 205, guys, which is a very good discount, very good offer. So that's why I've taken this, and already I finished up some. I think I've used some 5 to 6 times, and everyone in my family also loves to use this particular body lotion from Nivea, and Nivea body lotions do work really well on dry skin. And now winters have also started, guys, so definitely you can try out this body lotion. This is a really very good body lotion for very dry skin, guys. Next, I've taken these 3 foundations from Ellie18. Guys, already I have reviewed this foundation on my channel, and that one I had taken from Nykaa. The price of one foundation is rupees 100, but I've got these 3 foundations on a combo offer, and it was on an offer price of only rupees 165, guys. I can't believe. For only rupees 165, I have got these 3 foundations, and my shade is 02 Marble. So that's why I've taken these 3 foundations at this price point. This is a really good foundation. It gives a very natural kind of finish. It gives a sheer coverage. So if you're planning to buy any foundation for daily use, for day-to-day use, then definitely you can take this foundation. So guys, next I've taken this concealer from Wet n Wild in the shade light medium. So this is their photo focus concealer corrector, and you can see guys, this is the packaging, and this was available on a flat 52% discount on Flipkart. That's why I've taken this guys. So the price of this is rupees 499, but I bought this for only rupees 222, which is so affordable and cheap. That's why I've taken this. And this is also a really good concealer guys. It gives a very good coverage. It gives a medium to high coverage, which is buildable. It blends so easily guys, and you should definitely try this out. Next, I've taken this lipstick from Essence. This is Essence Color. This is Essence Color Boost Mad About Me liquid lipstick. So the shade name is Mad About Me guys, as you can see. So guys, from long time I just wanted to try out this particular lipstick from Essence, but it was always on a high price and there was no discount, so I was not buying this. But this time there was flat 50% discount on this as well, so that's why I have taken this. And this is a really very beautiful mauvish pink nude shade. So I will just swatch quickly and I will show you. So you can see the shade is like this. It's a very pretty shade guys. It's such a pretty shade. This shade will also look good on fair skin tones, on fair to medium skin tones. So this particular lipstick is totally waterproof and smudge proof when it dries down, and it gives a proper matte finish, and it is not at all drying on lips. It is very comfortable and very long lasting. It lasts for around some 5 to 6 hours on lips, and it is so good guys. I really like the formula, the texture and everything about these lipsticks, and the packaging is also very beautiful guys. You can see it is a different kind of unique kind of packaging actually. So I really liked it a lot, and I will just tell you the price. This retails for rupees 295, but I've got it around rupees 140 I guess guys. Next I've taken these two compacts from Maybelline. This is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder, and I'm in the shade 109 Light Ivory. This compact retails for rupees 199, but I've got these two compacts even lesser than 50% discount. I've got them for only rupees 80 guys, which is so affordable and cheap, and that's why I grabbed them. And one of these I'm going to give to someone in my family, and another one I'm going to use. And this compact powder guys, it is really a very good compact powder. You should definitely try this out. It gives a very beautiful sheer coverage. It has added sun protection. It has added sun protection, SPF 28 sun protection as well, and along with that it sets makeup well. It is long lasting, and it also gives a very good mattifying effect. So if you have got a very oily skin, definitely you can try out this compact. And guys, next I've taken these two deos from Secret Temptation. So already I bought this deo in my recent haul as well in the Big Billion Days sale, and that I have gifted to my mom. She really liked it so much. The smell is so good, and this is really long lasting, and this also I've got on a flat 50% discount, so that's why I've taken these two guys, and the smell is awesome. You should definitely try this out guys. And this retails for only rupees 190 each, but I have got this on a flat 50% discount during the Diwali sale going on Flipkart. So guys, next I've taken this body butter from Wow Skin Science. This is Wow Skin Science Nargis body butter. So you can see the packaging is like this. So I have already thrown out the outer cardboard packaging. It also comes in a very beautiful outer cardboard packaging, so that I don't have with me right now. So you can see guys, this is the packaging, and this retails for rupees 499, but this also was available on flat 50% discount. And guys, now winters have already started, so this is a really very essential product nowadays, and my hands also become so much dry these days. That's why I've taken this, and this is a really very good body butter that I've tried. And you can see the packaging is like this, and this is the product. This has got a very pleasant smell, which I really love, and this also really works on a very dry skin. It moisturizes a dry skin really well, and it works for around some 5 to 6 hours, and after that you have to reapply. So next I've taken these two lip balms from Maybelline Baby Lips. This is the Maybelline Baby Lips lip balm in the shade Pink Lolita, and this is the shade Cherry Kiss. So guys, already I have opened this one and I have been using this, as you can see. Guys, Maybelline Baby Lips are always the best lip balm that I've tried, and I highly recommend you should definitely try them out. They're so affordable as well. So these retail for rupees 175 each, but I've got these two for rupees 175, which is a great offer. So that's why I grabbed them. So I've taken this lip balm from Nivea. So you can see the packaging is like this, and this one I haven't opened till now. So this is the shade Cherry Shine. So this is also really a good lip balm that I've tried, and this retails for rupees 185, but this one also was available on flat 50% discount. So that's why I've taken this as well. This has got a very beautiful reddish tint which look really pretty on lips as well. Guys, the next product that I have with me is an eyeshadow palette. So you can see this is the one. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is a dupe. So I wanted to try this out, but I'm so much disappointed with this, guys. So guys, I have bought this for only rupees 267, which is so affordable. So that's why I wanted to try this out. To my disappointment, you can see, guys, it looks like a used one. So you can see the packaging, it has got so many spots, you can see, guys. So it looks as if this this palette is used by someone, and moreover on this palette there is no ingredients list mentioned. There is nothing mentioned, no expiry date, no manufacture date, no ingredients, no company's name, nothing. As you can see, there is nothing written. Only there is this picture given on the back side, and some story is written over here, and here it's written XO Jaclyn, and here it's written JH2, you can see, and nothing is written on this packaging. And even on this palette itself, you can see there is nothing mentioned. I am so much scared of using this product on myself, so that's why I am returning this product to Flipkart. I have even placed complaint about this product, like how they are selling such type of products to customers, guys. So it is like deceiving us. So I would not recommend to purchase this product to anyone, guys. Here a sheet is given and it is so dirty, and here also you can see some story is written, and there is no mirror. The color is spread all across the palette, and here you can see on the palette itself, on this silver packaging, the color is spread like this, which is looking so weird, guys, like someone has already used this palette, and this is the old product that I've got. And moreover, I even don't know whether this is a expired product or this is a new one, guys. So sorry, I cannot show you the pigmentation of this palette right now, because I cannot touch it, because I'm going to return it as well. So that's why I cannot show you the pigmentation, but definitely I will not recommend this product to you. So guys, next I have got some products from Nykaa. So the first product that I have is this one. This is Inside Concealer Foundation in the shade 03, that is creamy base. So you can see the packaging is like this. So this is also so affordable. This retails for rupees 230 only, so I wanted to try it out. This shade is a good match for my skin tone. And guys, next I have some lipsticks from Blue Heaven, and that are these, you can see. So these I have taken from Nykaa, which retail for rupees 125. Just quickly swatch one of the shades and I will show you. This is the shade Caramel Delight. This is a very beautiful rusty brown kind of shade. So I'm swatch over here. Wow, guys, you can see the pigmentation is amazing. So these lipsticks are so good. The packaging is so cute. I just like the packaging so much, and the smell is also so good. Next, I forgot to show you, I have also bought this product from Flipkart. So this is Nivea Soft Vitamin E Light Moisturizer, and this is the biggest tub. So this is the 300 ml tub, and this retails for rupees 399, but this was also available on flat 45% discount, so that's why I've taken this. And this is for my mother-in-law. And guys, this is a really very good moisturizer that I've tried. This is so good, and this is very lightweight as well. So you can see it is already opened. It is a very lightweight moisturizer. It blends really easily, and along with that, it is also good for dry skin. So if you have got a very dry skin, then also you can definitely try this out. This is a really very good moisturizer. Guys, next I've taken these two body creams from Nivea. This is the Nivea Rich Moisturizing Body Cream with Deep Moisture Serum and Almond Oil, and this is the Nivea Cocoa Butter Body Cream. So this one is good for normal to dry skin, and this is good for dry skin. As already I've tried this body cream before, and this is really a very good body cream. It is very highly moisturizing, and it also works well on dry skin, but lasts for around some 1 to 2 hours on skin, and after that you have to reapply. And this product I haven't tried till now, so definitely I'm going to try out both of these body creams and I will let you know what is the differences and which one is better. Price is similar, so both of these retail for rupees 275 each. So guys, the next and the last product that I've taken from Amazon is this one. This is Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator Makeup Base and I'm in the shade 01 Golden Pink. So guys, from long time I wanted to try out this illuminator because it is so affordable, so cheap, and I've also seen many YouTubers craving about this illuminator, so that's why I wanted to try this out. As this illuminator retails for rupees 249, but this was available on only for rupees 150 on Amazon, so that's why I've taken this. And already I have tried this some 1 to 2 times and it is really a very good illuminator. It gives a very good natural kind of shine, so you can definitely use this product mixing with your foundation. You can apply on your face or you can apply it directly on your face, and on top of that you can apply foundation. Guys, you can also try out this illuminator as a highlighter on your face as well, on the highest points of your face. It also gives a very good highlighting effect as well. It gives a very good glow, natural inner kind of glow. It doesn't look very artificial or it doesn't have any chunky glitters, which I really liked so much. This is the packaging. You can see the packaging is like this, and this is the shade you can see. So I hope you can see guys, it has got duochromatic effect. It has got a very beautiful pink reflex and a golden reflex as well, and it blends so easily, and there is no chunky glitters in it as well. So you can see guys, my skin has become so beautiful. Guys, definitely I'm going to use this product in my makeup tutorials and I will share with you how this looks on my face. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this haul and all the products that I've shown in this video. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, love you all.